tomorrow they say it'll be better than that. Really?
I'm ready for a nap. I need a nap. Wow.
Won't you stay the night? Won't you stay the night?
We're about to check into your room. What the fuck?
I'm ready to drink, you heard?
I cannot. We're tired. It's a long day.
I'll be okay. I'm about to catch my second win.
What is our room number?
It's inside the thing you got.
Oh, no, it's on.
1608.
So it's this way. It's different when we're actually here. Oh, this is it. Jump, jump, jump. Come on, I'm giving a room tour. We are on the 16th floor. I'm not gonna be able to go out there. That is way too high. Look at the beach.
They got hot tubs and shit. Damn, that's dope.
We can go downstairs and stuff once they run our shit. So this is our closets. Oh, we got robes. Robes. That is so beautiful. I have to call Tasha. I'm like, you can at least see it from afar till we go in. Okay, where's the light? The light, y'all. This is the bathroom. What? I wish we had the tub with the jet in it. But it's okay. You can hear the waves. I'm leaving it open tonight. Like, oh my gosh. Vlog. We're headed to Bistro Cafe.
And
my big ass hat is like hiding him, y'all. Oh, we're finally in Puerto Rico for vacation. 7 days. They don't have Lyft out here, so I'm ordering our Uber. And then we're heading down. But yeah, we went to Bistro Cafe in Miami. Yeah, in Miami. And it was really good. But they don't change anything that you like. But anyways, got it. Ooh, that shit keeps falling off.
You got the key?
Yes, babe.
Which one?
What do you mean, which one? On the bed. Why? Are you gonna get it or not? Our driver's on its way. It says our driver is here, 2 minutes away. Y'all, he is like already tipsy. But yeah, I'm hungry. Oh, this is the fit. Black goes with the hat. And I'm wearing my Chanel shoes. So we have 4 elevators and We gotta determine which one is gonna let us down. I'm ready to eat.
2 minutes away, but okay.
Huh? Well, it says Uber time is here. It says 2 minutes away. Please confirm what? Please send your email to confirm your trip. What? Can you hold this, please? When did they start doing that? That's weird. Okay, y'all. We're headed down. I'm ready to eat. Is it going down? Hi.
Appreciate it.
Our driver, I'm not our driver. The driver from yesterday texted me, Patricia,
Said what?
to ask how we're doing, and she sent me those places finally. Y'all, we're about to get a picture together.
I'm so glad again.
Okay, good.
I don't think I like that, but we're still going.
He's retarded. He's tipsy. You look like you like I was lost. Move.
Thugging out.
Yeah, these are brighter.
Thugging out shit up. I don't give a fuck. You're.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's better.
It's better.
Yeah, I just have to
I
edit
look like
it.
a basketball player.
I know, you always do.
Well,
your height.
I am low key though, you know. But, you know. Real ones know.
Her name is Maria.
Maria.
My mom and Natasha's middle name. Obsessed with that song.
The West Side Story. Running in my Spanish color. Hold on. Yeah. What she live? Living a life just like a movie star. Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna get a photo of you or two. And then I'm gonna have you get one of me.
Okay. Her too. That thing.
I didn't even get my shoes.
Give it back. Give it back, man. Come on. Black ass.
Just get one like that. There she is.
Oh shit, we still alive right
3
here.
minutes.
Man, we out chill.
Now I need my fan because it's hot.
Maybe I didn't need my fan because I'm hot. Okay, nigga, you get fan, you get shot. Good God, what the devil, what the devil, what the devil. I said, what the devil, what the devil, what the devil, what the devil, what the devil. And they're right. What?
Now it's saying no connection. There we go. Now it says 1 minute.
She tripping. She tripping right now. I think she just hungry, but I am too. I am too. But yeah, I've been on that liquor all morning. I've been on that liquor since 7 a.m. and it's 9 something now. I don't know what time it is. What time is it?
10:19.
10:19. So since about 8 to 10, yeah. But yeah, we out here, man. God is good. Straight up, God is good. Don't believe in God, something wrong with you. God is good.
So she's arriving now. I mean, is that considered blue? Because that's a light blue back here. To the left, back here, is the light blue car. Oh, I see her. She's behind the other. All right, y'all, we're going to our Uber. Like, I don't know what this is, but I think I want something like that with like a side of fruit. Or did you, ooh, look, they have this sandwich too. It looked like steak is in it.
Ruffle fries.
You don't have to get that. Yeah. And then they have one that has like egg in it, ham and egg and something. That looks like a Reuben though. Something like that. That's what it was, Fruity Pebbles. Here they also have a churros one. I think I'm gonna get the Fruity Pebbles one because that's the only time I ever, like, it was the best hands down. Any other place was not good. Yeah, see, this person got the Fruity Pebbles one. Get that again. Like, that looks bomb. Is that a parfait? I want it. Thank you.
¿Tú no has escuchado la canción? No.
The lighting in here is horrid. Alright, I'm gonna stick to what I'm gonna get. That sandwich with that one French toast Fruity Pebbles. If I'm still hungry, I'll probably get the if I'm still hungry, then I'll probably get the fruit parfait thingy. I think if I get all three at the same time, I'm not gonna be able to finish it. We're about to eat. The drink again, round two. He's still trying to decide what he's eating. You're still trying to decide what you're eating.
Puerto Rico looks good too.
Yes, what do you want? Yeah, okay.
So I think I want to get this. Does that have steak in it?
No, this is the cheddar. This is one burrito with cheddar crust, steak, hot sauce, bacon, avocado, everything.
So I want to get this.
Okay.
And then can I get a side of the Fruity Pebble French toast?
Yeah.
Okay.
And for you?
Do you want the tacos?
Tacos. Okay.
With the cheese?
With the cheese on the top. The tacos is with guavasol, hot sauce, pesto mayo, guacamole, everything. Okay, all steak, right? Perfect, and come with water.
Okay, does that come with the fried potatoes on the side?
No, it's supposed to be on one side. You want?
He wants,
One
yeah.
side, perfect.
Look, she's quick, so. That's why I'm gonna put it in my purse, so we'll have more space on the table. Hola, papi. Hola, papi. What? What that mean? 1 minute? Mine is so sweet. It was not this sweet in Miami. Yeah, like mine's so sweet, it tastes like syrup.
Exactly.
And And this thing, it's a coconut drink. I mean, a coconut popsicle. In Miami, it wasn't coconut. It was like a champagne. It was like a it was a strawberry one. That's what it was. Something champagne strawberry. Yeah. Like I could add water to this to dilute it. Yeah. I'm not used to the sweet. Okay, cool. We'll play at the same time. That's probably what I'm tasting is the coconut melt to the bottom. As a kid, growing up, I always loved cotton candy.
Why?
Always did. I'll still walk around the fair and eating it. I'll grab a bag to go always. Different color ones.
Are we live right now?
Yeah.
Oh, never mind. I almost said.
We're doing the same. I block it out.
I was about to say. So, that tastes like, what's the problem there? That's
It does not. You don't even know what that tastes like. So good. Take note, the Bistro Cafe in Puerto Rico will not change out your drink if you don't like it. They want you to drink all of it or buy all of it. She's not getting a tip. Here's the Fruity Pebble French toast, and he got the taco sandwich. I'm waiting on my burrito. Yeah. Thank you. Is this potatoes coming? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. I'm gonna show you guys my burrito. It does. With steak is in it.
I'm definitely getting some of that.
So good. This is the only place I like their Fruity Pebbles French toast. They make it right. Everybody else, no. Just
I'm not
stop.
even a Fruity Pebble guy.
I know. It's like perfectly concoction, everything. And my crush, she said it's like cheese on the outside of it.
That's some shit I would get.
I know. I know.
That's how you know. That's how you know. Dude, I never got that motherfucker right there.
Baby strawberry. Baby's happy. It's fine. They can tell. It's good. Let me stop this recording.
Taking that one now, huh?
Yeah. So y'all, we about to change. I didn't even show y'all. Well, it's like a mess in here now, but I put all my purses in there. David got some stuff there, and then like his gym stuff, his stuff. I did his drawer. You know, we gotta stay organized a little bit. Yeah. And then we did the closet, the lineup of my shoes. His on the other side. Clothes. Yeah. So y'all, we're about to change and get ready for the beach. Y'all, the Bistro Cafe place, like, I don't like how that girl did it. Let me tell y'all her name. This bitch really annoyed me. So if you come here, y'all need to avoid, if you get her, ask for someone else. Her name is Ocampo. I think Campo is probably her last name. I don't know. It says Ocampo. But anyways, she was very rude. Like, when it came to David not liking his drink, everything is like really sweet here. I don't know if it's how they just make stuff or if that's just how they made his drink. He got a passion fruit margarita at Bistro Cafe. I do know the one in Miami, they wouldn't change anything for you, but that's different than like swapping something out. Like if you get, let's say like food and you want to add something to it, they can't swap certain things out. But here it was literally like he did not like his drink. It was so sweet. It was like pure syrup. And so we had to ask her to add another tequila shot because when she came back, she was just like, well, I can exchange the drink out, but you have to pay for both. We don't swap here. And so I was like, okay, so you're not getting a fucking tip. So we go to check out and our ticket says 104, which is fine. But then this bitch already includes her tip herself and makes it 129. Bitch, you don't deserve shit. So then when we get ready to go pay and she gives us the handheld device on it, she already included the tip to where you couldn't even take it out or maneuver or change anything. You had to just pay. So be wary of that bitch. Anyways, we're about to change. Rant over. Like I said, we're about to change and go to the beach. Okay. Bye. Okay, y'all. So we just got done changing for the pool. Not the pool, the beach. Yeah. And this is the look that I did for the Shein vlog. This is the black swimsuit with the skirt. I'm thinking about, I want to rip it on the sides really because it's like really tight at the bottom and looser at the top. So,
Yeah, good God.
and then it's gonna go in this Beach Please bag.
I'm gonna get some ice.
Okay. The seashell necklace might be cute like on now. Oh my god, it's so cute. I think I'm gonna do that. Let's see how it looks with it on. Yeah. I think I'm gonna wear just the necklace because it goes with a different fit, but super cute. So yeah, this is the look. We're about to roll out.
I'm back.
You got ice that quick? It felt all the way up?
And better than ever. Yep.
Alright, babe. So what else do we need? Oh, the sunscreen. Yeah.
I need food.
We'll bring the lotion and I'll go ahead and spray you. And my shades, I think, is still in my...
And my shades is
Right
still
back.
inside my Escalade. Yeah. Every rose has its thorn. Let's get it all. We don't give a fuck.
Get it on the floor. Get it on the floor.
Yeah.
Get it on the floor.
Yeah.
Get it on the floor.
Yeah.
Let me spray you. Come on.
Come on, let's go. Oh yeah. Ooh. Ooh. That shit hot as cold in a bitch. I mean, what? What you tell them people?
I'm strong up in here too.
Damn.
Alright. So we got the...
What she tell y'all, man? What she tell y'all? What you tell them?
Baby, come on.
Shit.
Alright, I'm gonna go get my ice since you went and got yours. Okay. And can you gather, I guess, 2 water bottles? And then the food.
Water already right there.
Okay.
Unless you want to take
We're gonna save on
myself.
battery. You guys, we're about to head down, but I forgot to tell y'all. It's kind of dark right here. I forgot to tell y'all the picture that we took in the restaurant. Wait, put the hat back on. Where is, oh, it's over there.
put the water in there.
Y'all, this was the pic that they took of us. It's dark over here. The pic that they took of us at the restaurant, and they framed it for us too, so that's cute. I just wish it said Puerto Rico on it, but it's fine. So y'all, we have a keepsake from here, from all of our vacations. All right, we're heading to the beach. Yeah, it's hot.
A lot. Like my feet are burning when I walk.
Ooh. Look at him in his 49er attire. I'm so done.
Call it home, but always rap. Yeah.
I'm so done. Alright.
Like cut out.
No, they're not.
Sometimes it's like that, you know.
What you mean, the kids? Yeah, I want one of those. I want a Jamaican pineapple. For a little bit. Go get in the water and then come back. Pineapple drink. Thank you. So pretty. Really bad. Everything but coconut.
One coconut? No.
Hit play.
Oh my god.
Y'all. We got our drinks.
We got our drinks. We got
So
our
excited.
everything 151 rum fish.
What?
Yeah.
I want to sit back.
It's for talk. You already know it's for talk.
I could. She might be busy doing something. She called back. Remember, she was in the car and it was a dead spot? No, that was yesterday when we were talking when we first got in. Yeah. What do you mean she hung up on you? No, she didn't call today. Because she said call her whenever we go to the beach. Look, here comes a bird. Bye. The fuck? Look at this shit. I want some food. Funny, he was like, why? Why you don't want liquor?
I was like, why would you come over here and get a pineapple with no liquor?
Right.
What's wrong with you?
Ooh. Whatever it's mixed with. It's so good. I need to boomerang it. I'm gonna tag you in it. Huh? tequila.
Yeah, tequila.
So done.
And the mimosas.
Not free samples. So done. This is so fucking good. Oh my god. What?
Good as fuck.
Uh-huh. This is the place that I saved too that I want to go to. I'm happy they gave us our cup of pineapple shit about to get full.
What?
The pineapple core. He did it like it was nothing.
Dope as hell.
So good. Y'all, so far we're really enjoying Puerto Rico. Like, we would come back. We would come back. Sounds like our pool over there is having a party. You hear the music?
Yeah.
We can play our music too. You okay? Don't you have some? Okay, I was gonna say, if not here, this quick. And it's cold. You drinking it like I be drinking it. Ain't it good? Yep. I know, right? About to sit back, relax, and chill. Look at Daddy over there. Y'all, he got a Cuban cigar. We're waiting for the guy to come back around so he can light it for him. Hey! How's it going?
How are you guys?
Good.
It is wild out there.
It is. We fell a couple times.
I'm just letting him have his own fun. I'm like, the 10th time I had to like scoop myself back into my bathing suit. I'm over it.
Yeah.
I was telling him, I'm like, I haven't seen our friends around yet.
Oh my
We'll see you guys
gosh.
around.
Yes. See ya. That's so funny. We met them on our VIP ride by our driver.
Oh, we still recording.
So yeah, we are. Yeah, I wasn't quite sure if that was her or not because her hair was pulled back. Y'all, this is really good. Like, I don't know what he put in that sorbet stuff, but oh my gosh.
That shit is thick like a motherfucker.
I only got the pineapple and the passion fruit. And the pineapple is hitting.
Hitting like a bitch.
Ooh, that sun just got hot as fuck.
Forever my dog, even
Y'all. Ooh, my lip and my purse. To go with the earrings. Huh? Y'all, we're getting ready for dinner. I think this is all I'm gonna carry in there. And a small perfume.
so good, so real.
Like it, I tried, but I can't find it, no. And it's real.
You make
put on some maternity shorts to go under this dress. You can kind of tell. Yeah. Y'all, I'm gonna get bigger. Oh my god. Show a little true love. Yeah. Right on the spot. Da, 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 da. We're doing good timing. Alright, I'm gonna... Huh? 8:36.
Country boys roll. I don't wanna miss the sun. Could it be too much to say I'm in?
Why it look like I'm looking at something different? Shit.
Your GQ. I can't. Guess I'll be vlogging off the phone.
What?
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 What? We're going to Morton Steakhouse for a date night dinner. This whole entire week is date night, but still. Duh. It's just a lot.
I said I'll get the ribeye. I don't see no way. Yeah, you gotta look at, you gotta talk to two different doctors. And they were kind of.
Y'all, we just got in. We're about to call it a night. It's live down inside the lobby though. Salsa dancing everywhere. So babe,
I wanted to get out there.
Morton Steakhouse though. What is our final review?
3.5.
Lower than what I
Really?
said. Yeah, y'all. It was
3.5.
not worth the money, and we're really upset that we even spent it at this point, but it was that bad. Hopefully this cheesecake is giving something. I'm gonna show y'all. We gonna see how big it is, but yeah, we came back. It's time to call it a night because we old.
You gotta watch yourself now. You better
Barely
watch yourself.
breathe.
You better watch yourself now.
By this point in time, hopefully y'all will see the announcement. We'll see. But anyways, what was I gonna say?
How you going?
So y'all,
What you mean?
what happened?
What you talking about?
I'm trying to explain the review.
Explain it.
Okay, y'all, the food, like, it had no taste. Like, so I got a surf and turf, and he got, what was it, medium rare?
I got medium.
Oh, he got medium.
Cajun.
A medium Cajun ribeye steak. And he didn't like it. His didn't have any flavor. I got filet mignon and a lobster tail, and I got butter. I got blue cheese butter on top of my filet mignon, and the blue cheese butter is what actually carried the steak because the steak itself had no flavor or taste. And the lobster, the butter was like not even butter. It was like clarified butter. I've never had, yeah, the butter had no taste, y'all. It was just like eating grease. So, eating grease. So, ate it by itself a little bit, and yeah, I couldn't even do that. I think they put, I want to say PUERTO RICO on top, and that was it. And then we got it was smoked Gouda. That's what carried it, the smoked Gouda, because you said cheese too. Yeah. Smoked Gouda bacon and cheese au gratin potatoes, however you say it, somebody correct me. Yeah, the only thing that was good was the smoked Gouda on it. And then we got cream of spinach. I didn't think it was appealing, so I didn't eat it. And babe, how'd you feel about the cream of spinach? Yeah. So there you are on candy camera. But
What's up?
Yeah, anyways, we got a cheesecake to go to eat a little bit later. The only thing that was good was our drinks. His drink came in like a bigger glass than normal.
Oh, yeah, they hooked your boy.
And then I liked my drink. It was pretty good. So that's it. The bread was okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So check this out. We got business to tend to.
Get away. Get away, you.
Let's
villain.
go.
Let me show them the cheesecake. Let's see what it looked like. We both didn't look at it yet. Oh, it looks like the one from the place that we like.
Yeah, it does. Ellis.
So y'all, this is what the cheesecake looked like. And then last night we ordered in room service for dinner, and so we got the pizzas were pretty good. Their room service is pretty good, and then you got a sandwich. And he liked it with fries, and then we got a guava cheesecake, but we haven't even eaten that yet, so.
I want another one.
So yeah, y'all. But putting this in the fridge, and we're gonna call it a night.
What we putting in the fridge for?
So did it cool?
It's already cool.
No, it ain't get cooler. Why is the fridge hot?
Exactly. I went with the same thing.
Gotta hit that button again. Alright, well. Not trying to make our cheesecake hot. So yeah.
You got no choice but to wait.
Alright, y'all, the battery's dying anyway, so talk to you guys later. Good night. Bye.